Alrighty guys, we're over in Cricut Design Space and now we are going to show you how to use your fonts that you've downloaded, whether you've downloaded them from my website, Etsy, a website you've purchased them on. This is super important that you're using fonts that you have purchased or you own the rights to, because these programs really want to make sure that you're using fonts that you did not install for free. Plus, we want to not ever get you guys like a virus or anything. So downloading fonts from free websites are great, but I definitely support purchasing some that you know from like a designer or somebody who gets licensed fonts like we do, so that way you know that they're safe. So all that to say, let's add a text box when we're in Cricut Design Space. We are just going to use auntietay.com since we are using that in all of our programs today. And Cricut Design Space, super easy to use your fonts once you download them, because all you have to do is come up here into the font panel where it's going to default to Cricut Sans. Now you're going to come in here and it's going to automatically only show you Cricut Design Space fonts. And if it has the A and you have Cricut Access, those are included, or you pay $5 for this font. But we don't want to do that because we already have our own fonts. We already have downloaded our own fonts. Right here is system. This is where all of your fonts, see, I have 1,200 fonts over here. This is where all of your fonts from your computer are. So if you install them on your computer, then they're automatically in. Like, look how pretty this one is. This is, I believe this, it doesn't look that cool if it's all caps. I like it when it's low caps. But anyways, let's check one of the ones we just downloaded to make sure it's actually in here. Tiki. Okay, so one thing I'm finding is when you install them, you might have to close out the program. Let's see, tropical. Where are you? Tropical, no results for tropical. Under system, no. Okay, let's close the program and I'll be right back. So I figured out the problem. So if you install your fonts and then you're on Cricut Design Space and you're like, I cannot find the font, what happens is you need to completely close out Cricut Design Space and completely close out your font program. So once those are closed completely and then you reopen them, let's look it up. System, Tiki. Okay, Tiki Tide. So there it is. So that's a font that I just installed on my own computer, okay? So it should be in your system fonts and register after you close out both your programs. I'm glad we ran into that hiccup because then I can help you through it. So if you're interested in finding lots of fun, fancy fonts like these, all of these right now are included. These are coming out weekly though. So can you imagine how many they're going to be by the end of the year? This is our summer series and I'm doing character inspired. So check out all the other videos because I'm going to show you guys how to use these to design in your laser programs, your Cricut programs, your die cuttings, your Canva, and all the things. All right. Check out my website because I'm coming out with weekly bundles every single week based around fun themes for the season. So instead of just giving you guys designs, I'm going to teach y'all to fish this year. Look how cute this one is. Rimba Andalas. That is so cute. This just makes me want to design, you guys. I'm obsessed with fonts. All right. Love you guys. Bye.